Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Video for You. Here we are going to learn about direction test which will be mainly asked in most of the bank exams as well as placement series will be based on these topics as well. Most of the people will feel this topic as the tougher one, but definitely from my tricks you will feel these topics as easier as easy. So let us begin. So topic is direction test. Here as we all know it is north and south, east and west. Commonly remember these things. Up is north, down south, left east and this side west. Okay. This is the most common thing. Okay. What are these? There are mainly 8 main directions. In between these, we call northeast. Please do not call it as east north. Okay, it will be wrong thing. So please call northeast this portion, and this portion not. You should never call it as west north. Your answer will be wrong definitely. So you should call northwest, and this southwest. Similarly, this southeast. Here in these parts, mainly north and south plays important role. So call this as northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. Okay. What is the angle made between these? What is the angle? Definitely 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. Okay. What is the angle made between northeast and east? It is definitely 45 degree. Similarly, northeast and north 45 degree. Similarly, whole it is takes place in the same way. Okay, guys. Okay. There are 8 main directions. Each angle is from 90 degree and whole angle is 360 degree. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, it is 360 degree. Remember this, guys. Okay, let's move on. Here we should know the most important thing, that is sun rises in the east and sunset happens in the west. Please remember, sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Okay. Angles, as I said earlier, northeast and north will be 45 degrees. Similarly, consider all of them, and total angle is 360 degree over. Okay, let us understand one more thing. Walking towards north and make right turn and no angle mentioned, then it will be 90 degree. So, what happens in most of the question, examiner will ask, go to make right angle, make, sorry, not angle, okay, make a person moving towards will make a right turn. What does this mean, right turn? So here they have not mentioned what angles. They may also ask left turn. Here they have not mentioned any angle. In such a case, you should consider it as a 90 degree. It is a mandatory case to consider 90 degree only. What they have asked, a person is moving towards north and makes a right turn or makes a left turn. In such a case, you will not understand what angle. You should not find out angle here directly. You should consider it as a 90 degree. See, look here. This is a person who is moving towards north and he is gonna make 90 degree turn. Then easily, what is right angle? It is right. So make 90 degree turn here and person is here right now. Simple as that. Okay. So now, do you know what is left? Right? No. There are many people are confused in this concept only. If in the question, if it is left, right, you should never go wrong with this. So for a easier trick, remember this: the hand from which you eat will be right, and hand which from which you will not eat will be left. Okay, normal eating hand of the people will become right, and normal not eating hand of the people will become left. So for example, a person who is moving, this is a person who is moving left, he will go this way. A person who is moving right, he will go this way. That's it. Okay, what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise plays an important role in the questions based on direction test. If it is this way, clockwise. If it is this way, anti-clockwise. As simple as that. So for example, a person moving towards north turns clockwise at angle of 180 degree, sorry. So this is a person who is moving, walking straight in a straight line, makes a clockwise means this way, clockwise. Look at this direction, this is a clockwise at an angle of 180 degree. So he will come here because this is 90 90. Always remember, this is, if it is 90, here it will be 180, only 180 degree. Okay guys, next, the most important thing to remember is this triangle. It is not triangle, right angle triangle, where it has a b c, and the most important formula, ac square is equal to ab square plus bc square, which will help you to find out the hypotenuse in most of the questions easily. Okay everyone, look at this part. Here we know this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. As I said earlier, sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Okay, normally they will ask such question: sun rises in the east, a person standing, where is the shadow falls? Normally, when sunrise happens in the east and shadow should fall at the west. Okay, remember this in your brain completely. When sun rises in the east, there must be a shadow falling at the west only. Okay, guys, only west the shadow must fall. Similarly, when sunset happens at the Similarly, when sunset happens at the west, shadow must be falling at the east only. Remember one more thing. At 12 noon, what happens? There is no shadow. Okay, there is no shadow because the sun is below our feet. Shadow will be below our feet. So there will be no shadow at 12 noon. Reason? Because it will be at our feet. Okay, remember most important thing. Remember, most importantly, sun rises in the east and shadow falls at the west. At sunset, it will be at west and shadow will be at east. Now let us move on to the questions based on the direction test. So look at the question carefully as it plays a very important question to understand the basic concepts. So a man started to walk towards east. What they said? A man started to walk towards east. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. After moving a distance, he turned to his right again. After moving a little, he turned in the end to his left. In which direction was he going now? So, four options: north, south, east, and west. In question, what they are saying, a man is walking towards east. After moving a certain distance, he turned to his right, and again, after moving a distance, he turns to his right again once more. Then, after moving a little, he turns left at last. So, in which direction was he going now? At last, what is the direction they are asking? Okay, understand the question. Pause the video and understand the question once again, as it plays very important role. As we all know, there are mainly four directions: north, south, and east and west. And the main thing from the question is, this is north, this is south, and this is east, and this is west. Please remember this. There are mainly four directions: north, south, east, west, and these directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay, this angle is 90 degree and this is 45 degree. Here what happens? Consider a man. Consider a man as yourself. Okay, a man started to walk towards east. What is east? East is here. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So this is a man who is starting walking towards the east. After moving a distance, he turned to its right. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. Consider you here yourself looking at the. Okay, let us understand this concept by moving on to a simple trick. So what they said, a person is moving towards the east. So consider this person as yourself only. You are standing here looking at the east side, and which is your right hand side when you are looking at the east? Definitely this is okay. They said moving a distance, after moving a distance, he turned to his right. What I said, consider yourself here looking at the east, then which is your right hand side there? This. So go here. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. Again, after moving a little, he turned in the end to his left. Again, he moved little, and consider yourself as here and move to a right again. They said after moving a distance, he turned to his right again. So, which is your right again? Again, here it is your right. So again he moved a little distance, and at the end he turned to his left. What is the left when you stand here? Of course this is the left. So left. Now this is south. It is also south. The definitely answer is south.